If you need to delete a payment method in Lucidchart, I'm going to walk you through the safest and easiest way to do it step by step. This is helpful if you want to remove an old card, stop future billing, or simply clean up your account settings after cancelling a plan. Before we get started, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more quick software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser on your PC and sign into your Lucid account. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon or your initials. This opens your account menu, where you'll see different settings for your Lucid account. From that drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This is where Lucid keeps your billing and subscription controls, so this is the first place you need to go if you want to manage your payment details. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, look for the Plans and Billing section. Click it to open your current subscription information. Inside this area, you should be able to see your active plan, billing details, and payment method information. Here's an important step. If you still have an active paid plan, you may need to cancel or downgrade it before Lucid will let you remove the payment method. Find your active plan in the billing section, then look for the three-dot menu icon on the right side next to the plan price. Click that menu and choose Cancel Plan or Downgrade. Then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm that you want to move to the free tier. Once your account has been downgraded, go back to the Plans and Billing section. Now look for the Payment Method area. Next to it, click the three-dot icon again. In some accounts, you may see an Edit Payment Method option, or you may see a Trash or Delete icon next to the card details. Click the option that removes the card or opens the payment settings. If Lucid asks you to confirm the change, review everything carefully before saving. Then click Save Changes to finalize the removal. After that, your payment method should no longer be attached to the account. If you don't see the delete option right away, double check that your subscription is fully cancelled or downgraded to the free plan. In many cases, the payment method can only be removed after the paid plan is no longer active. So if the option is missing, that's usually the first thing to verify. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a payment method in Lucidchart by going into account settings, opening plans and billing, cancelling or downgrading your plan if needed, and then removing the card from the payment method section. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.